Hi everyone, today I am going to show you Dhanvan's project. I welcome you all to the project that is Dhanvan Zoo. First in the entrance, the angry bird welcomes you in. Cheetah, the king of the forest, fox, wolf, kangaroo, bear, elephant with its baby, zebra, in the front of his zoo, donkey, cow, pig, and few aquatic animals, that is duck, swan, seals, and a farmhouse beside that. And in coming to this side, he is having a dinosaur with a cow and calf. So thank you for visiting our zoo. Thank you, Dhanvan Zoo.